your sound department, it is very important that we get to read a script in pre-production. To go location scouting, it would be very nice to actually have your sound mixer with you so that they can tell you if this is a good location or not for sound. The other thing that you want to know is the format about how post-production want to get their files. You want to do this before you start production. You want to rent your extra equipment in time, knowing from your shooting schedule. Production. Make sure that your boom operator has the right sides. Scripts. Make sure your boom operator knows what is going on. Blocking and marking rehearsal is so important for the sound department. The reason why is because we need to know where the actor is and when they are saying their lines. So now you're wrapped with production, you're going to deliver the sound product to your post-production, and of course you have those sound reports. And the most important part for production sound people is to back up. Don't think that post-production is going to back up.